Fine. Good morning, children. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Yes, today is. What is the date today? 24. Who all are there in the class? Anushka Gupta. Daksh. Then Siddhant. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Siddhant Kangwar. Then we have Siddhi Mittal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a second. Aryan Gupta has also joined. Then we have Tanishka. Tanishka, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Then Vanshika and Yashraj Raghuvanshi. Vanshika, Yashraj Raghuvanshi. Who else is there? Shreyansh, good morning. Fine. We were on question answers, right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Chapter 9, question answers, right? Aryan Gupta is taking time to join. I don't know what is wrong with his connections. Chaliye. What were the main achievements of Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar? This we have done, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
So we are on compare the present status of women with that of the 19th and the early 20th century. This question I think we are supposed to do today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Parth has not come today. Sharad, good morning. Sharad, good morning. Beta, I think third question we did. We are on fourth question. How did personal experiences lead Ram Mohan and Vidyasagar to take up the cause of social reform? Class? Beta, am I not audible to
No, ma'am, we have not done question number 3. Ma'am, you have said we have to write in a table, and you said you will discuss it in this class.
Okay, page number is 68, Anushka.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Right. No, I told you, Siddhi, I think I told you people to do this on your own, write it, and we will discuss it in the next class. This is what I told you people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you all written? Have you all written? चलिए बेटा, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन आप छोड़ दीजिए, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन को यू कट, डोंट नो नीड टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question you cut, we will not do this question, okay? Fifth question.
Okay, ma'am.
What were the efforts made in North and South India to improve the condition of women? Who will tell this answer? Siddhant, you know this answer?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
Yes, Daksh, yes, tell.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in North India, Swami Dayanand, the founder of the Arya Samaj, carried the work of women's reform further. He encouraged female education, and to further the cause of the Arya Samaj, established Kanya Gurukuls for the education of women. And ma'am, then in South India, uh, uh, R. R. Venkata Ratnam Naidu fought against the Devdasi system, while ma'am, what is it written?
Veerasalingam Pantulu. Veerasalingam
Okay, ma'am.
Pantulu.
Veerasalingam Pantulu worked
Huh.
for widow remarriage. Both tried to increase the opportunity for female education. Ma'am, this much.
Okay, very good. I think we need to write this in points,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So, ready everybody? I am telling you how we will do this answer in points. So first you will write.
Yes.
Several efforts were made in North and South India to improve the condition of women. ठीक है, पहले आप लिखेंगे several efforts were made in North and South India to improve the condition of women. Now, first point, in North India, you will write Swami Dayanand Saraswati carried the work of women's reform by establishing Arya Samaj. What will you write? Swami Dayanand Saraswati carried the work of women's reform by establishing Arya Samaj. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
He encouraged female education and established Kanya Gurukuls for the education of women. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will write.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will write. Among the Muslims, Khwaja Altaf Hussain Ali and Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah introduced education for girls. Next point. The Aligarh movement led by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan also did much for the education and emancipation of Muslim women. Underlined? Class underlined?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. Then South India. In South India, R. Venkataraman Naidu fought against the Devdasi system. Full stop. Then Veerasalingam Pantulu worked for widow remarriage and tried to increase. Next point. These reformers tried to increase the opportunities for female education. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
These many points only. Underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Some of the students have joined late. Those who have joined late, beta, tell your name so that I can mark you present. Ma'am,
Kushag.
Acha, Kushagra Singh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am,
Aryan Gupta. ठीक है.
Ma'am, you marked my present, Anushka.
हाँ हाँ बेटा, I have marked it. Fine. Answer written?
Yes, ma'am.
I think with this, all the question answers are complete. Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am. Only thing and answer.
Only?
Ma'am, we will not do thing and answers.
No, no. Chalo, I think with this, we are over with the question answers of chapter 8 and chapter 9 both. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Now, as we are over with the chapter, let me give you a worksheet. So be ready with your paper pen. I will be asking you some questions here. You will be writing the answers of those questions and posting your answers on the group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. So shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all read the chapter thoroughly? Shall I start my questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, write down
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer. Write down the answer for first. Name a social reformer of Bengal who is usually listed first among the 19th century reformers. Name a social reformer of Bengal who is usually listed first among the 19th century reformers. Answer written. Only answers you will be writing. Nobody will write question. Write today's date, chapter 9, worksheet. Okay? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोले.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Question is, name a social reformer of Bengal who is usually listed first among the 19th century reformers.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, next question.
चलिए next question is, who is called the father of modern India? Who is called the father of modern India? Done?
Ma'am, next question.
Write down. Who established Brahmo Samaj? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, you write. Name the person who was successful in abolishing sati. Name the person who was successful in abolishing sati. Done?
Ma'am, who was successful in?
Who was successful in abolishing sati?
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Then next, in which year sati practice was made a punishable offense? In which year done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat.
In which year sati practice was made a punishable offense? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Who was helped by a British Governor General to impose ban on sati? Also name the Governor General. I repeat my question. Who was helped by a British Governor General to impose ban on sati? Also name the Governor General. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, wait.
हाँ.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Next question. Who tried to bring women into new roles through schools and prayer meetings? I repeat, who tried to bring women into new roles through schools and prayer meetings?
Ma'am, done.
Next question. Who carried forward the work of Raja Rohan Roy to a next level? I repeat, who carried who carry forwarded the work of Raja Ram Mohan Roy to a next level?
Ma'am, done.
Done? Next question. Who championed the cause of female education? I repeat, who championed the cause of female education? Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am, done. Done, ma'am.
Next, right? Who set up as many as 35 schools for girls as an inspector of schools?
Ma'am, please repeat.
I repeat, who set up as many as 35 schools for girls as an inspector of schools?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. How many done, beta?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 10 questions.
10. Okay, likho. Next. Who was instrumental in the setting up of the first Indian school for girls in Calcutta in 1849? I repeat, who was instrumental in the setting up of the first Indian school for girls in Calcutta in 1849?
ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes,
ठीक है.
ma'am.
Next. Whose efforts in the field of female education were remarkable and why? I repeat, whose efforts in the field of female education were remarkable and why? Done?
Ma'am, please wait.
It done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Who was instrumental in legalizing widow remarriage? I repeat, who was instrumental in legalizing widow remarriage? हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप लिखो. In which year Prarthana Samaj was founded? I repeat, in which year Prarthana Samaj was founded? Done?
No, ma'am. Please wait.
हाँ, in which year Prarthana Samaj was founded?
Ma'am, done.
Beta, how many questions done? How many questions done, beta?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
14.
14.
Ma'am, 14 questions.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, 14.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Next. Who founded the Prarthana Samaj? Who founded the Prarthana Samaj? Done? Done, class?
No, ma'am. Please wait. I'm done.
Done? Next question you write.
I'm done.
Next question you write. Name the founder of Arya Samaj. Name the founder of Arya Samaj. Done? Name the founder
Yes,
of
ma'am.
name the founder of Arya Samaj. Done?
I'm done.
Who established Kanya Gurukuls for the education of women? Who established Gurukuls for the education of women?
I'm done.
How many questions now?
Ma'am, 17.
चलो 3 more.
I'm 17 question.
ठीक है. लिखो. 18th question. Who opened the first girls' school in 1874? Who opened the first girls' school in 1874?
Ma'am, please repeat.
I repeat my question. Who opened first girls' school in 1874?
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Name a women reformer who was a pioneer in the field of women's reform. Name a woman reformer. Name a woman reformer who was a pioneer in the field of women's reform.
I'm done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Parth. Good morning, Parth. Finally, you have joined, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा जब भी ऐसी दिक्कत होती है अपना जूम को रिफ्रेश कर लिया करो, मोबाइल को रिफ्रेश कर लिया करो, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, I have refreshed 2-3 times, ma'am. But still, ma'am, it is not doing. But ma'am, now it is.
जूम को भी रिफ्रेश करा था आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
पता नहीं, होता है होगा, चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. चलिए, लास्ट क्वेश्चन क्लास. Name a well-known social reformer who has fought for women's rights and was associated with the All India Women's Conference. I repeat, name a social reformer who fought for women's rights and was associated with the All India Women's Conference.
I'm done.
Done?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
20 done?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए डिस्कस करें.
I'm done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, can anybody send me all the questions, ma'am? Because in the between meeting was left, so some questions are left.
Till which question you have written? Tell me.
Ma'am, first, second, and third are left, I think so.
Okay, so first one is name a social reformer of Bengal who is usually listed first among the 19th century reformers.
Ma'am, can you tell me what we are doing?
Beta, we have completed the question answers and I have given them a worksheet to complete.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, last time, ma'am, very long. Ma'am, G part 3, 4, 5th are left. So, ma'am, can you tell ma'am how to
Beta,
do?
one, I think third one I told you people to do on your own and we will discuss in the class. So do it and
Yes,
next time
ma'am.
we will discuss. Fourth question we have left. Fifth question only we have done. Okay.
So ma'am, 3 and 4th are left. So ma'am, we will do in next class. And ma'am, 5th is
Fourth we
already
have
done.
cut. Fourth we have cut. Fifth we have done. Third you
Okay,
people
ma'am.
will do and you will tell me that what you have written.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Done. Now send your answers on the groups, all of you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please repeat the second question.
Second question is, who is called the father of modern India?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all sent your answers?
Ma'am, we have to send answers on group.
Ha, on the class official group.
Okay.
Fine.
I'm done.
Hmm.
Thank you.
हाँ जी.